Alright, let's talk about the VFD1100CP43A-00. This isn't your average piece of tech. It's a variable frequency drive, and it's built for serious factory automation. What immediately caught my eye is that it arrives brand new, factory sealed. There's something reassuring about knowing you're getting a pristine, untouched unit. Reeling, the company behind this, seems to be really focused on this area, and that's a good sign. They emphasize their team of passionate engineers, and honestly, in this kind of specialized equipment, that expertise matters. If you run into any snags, they seem ready to offer support, which is always a plus. Now, I haven't personally put this VFD through its paces in a full-scale factory setting. That's a bit beyond the scope of a quick look. However, based on the specs and the reputation of similar Delta products, this thing is likely a workhorse. We're talking about precise motor control, energy efficiency, and the kind of reliability you need when your entire operation depends on it. The fact that they're willing to work with you on large quantity orders suggests they're confident in their supply chain and ready to handle serious demand. It gives you a sense of security. Overall, the VFD1100CP43A-00 looks like a solid choice for anyone needing a reliable and powerful VFD for their factory automation setup. The new, sealed condition, coupled with Reeling's focus on customer service, makes it a promising option. If you're in the market for a VFD, this one is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.